Hello, my people. Good evening. Tonight, I didn't cook. I went out, had to run some errands, came back, and knew I was coming back in late. So I stopped to this place I wanted to try some vegan places, and I found a new one, and they are located in the 59th Street train station, the ABCD line in Manhattan, New York. And it's called the Falafel Plant Mediterranean Kitchen at Turnstile Underground Market. And their store number is number 21. And it looks amazing. I cannot wait to try it. It's falafel, Mediterranean salad, pickled red cabbage, chickpeas, and hummus on the bottom. And it has tahini and green hot sauce on top of the falafel, and it also comes with a pita bread, fresh pita bread. That's what she was making it as I was giving her the order. The guy was behind her making it, and I can't wait to eat it. And it smells amazing. So if you're in New York or live in New York, please stop by Falafel Plant Mediterranean Kitchen at Turnstile Underground Market, 8th Avenue, ABCD train to 59th Street in Manhattan. And like I said, the store number is number 21. And show them this video. Tell them that you saw the video and it was recommended for you to go there and try the food, because to be honest, I just dug in it before I did the video because it smells so good and it's amazing. It's delicious. It's really delicious. And the piece of falafel I took off, that's the best falafel I ever had. And I've had falafel from many places, because I love falafel. But this, I don't know what they did with that, but this is good, and I will be going back. Even if I'm in the area or not, I will get on the train and I will go there. Now, what are you having for dinner? Drop it in the comment section and have a nice evening. Good night.